The sea has played a vital role in southwest England's economy for generations, for trade, for fishing, and for leisure. But now the region is looking to harness the power of the sea in a very different way, for the creation of energy, a new wave of energy. Tucked behind sand dunes on the north coast of Cornwall, in the town of Hayle, engineers are preparing to start work on a groundbreaking renewable energy project. The work has drawn the attention of the local press, photographers and television crews, who are here to see the start of the much-anticipated Wave Hub project. Wave Hub is a pioneering project to create the world's largest test site for devices that generate electricity from the sea, 10 miles off the coast. Developed by the South West Regional Development Agency, it's the cornerstone of a strategy to make South West England a global leader in marine renewable energy. Today sees the start of a drilling operation to carry electrical cables through the sand dunes, as Wave Hub Project General Manager Guy Lavender explained.
I think it's fantastic to see the drilling starting today, and I think if we can work together, both with local partners and with the commercial developers, we can really build this industry down here. And everyone understands that fossil fuels aren't going to last forever. So whatever you think about global warming, we've got to invest in renewable technologies, and we've got some of the best facilities in the world on our doorstep, and we ought to be making use of those. Really important today that the drill's going into the ground and we're starting this project. So it's really, really exciting. A lot of people have been involved in it, both our commercial partners and elements and partners across the public sector. So it's a really, really great experience to be stood here today.
Engineers have drilled 2 holes through the sand dunes to the beach beyond. They line each of the 200-metre holes with piping, which is drawn slowly back through the dunes. These pipes will carry Wave Hub's electrical and fibre optic cables through the dunes and connect directly with the national grid and monitoring equipment in a new electricity substation being built on the shore.
Well, South West RDA have been pivotal in the Wave Hub project. They were the people that had the vision to think that this was something that needed to be done. They've engaged very closely with industry around the project and the programme to find out what was going to be most useful. This has been industry-led. This is what industry says that it wants. And it's a great opportunity and example of the public sector intervening in a project that has high risk. But being brave enough to take those decisions, and I think the fruits of that are going to pay off long into the future. Well, I think Wave Hub is a fantastic project. It's hugely exciting because it's tapping into the environment in which we live. It provides renewable energy on an unlimited source with almost no impact on the environment. And it connects into the national grid and is going to power people's homes. So I think it's hugely exciting. It's hugely exciting from not only the sort of technical and the engineering perspective, but also the perspective of looking and standing here with a substation in the background, thinking that this is where we might start building a new industrial base down here in Cornwall.